In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a spring or a curly cord without using an add-on. Although we can easily create a spring shape by using a curve spiral add-on, it's important to learn how to create one without it. That's because we can apply the manual creation method to complex meshes that are not limited springs or coils in the future. I'll show you what I mean. This is the first method. We can create a circle mesh to create a spring. By the way, if you don't see the circle mesh, please activate an add-on called Add Mesh Extra Objects. Select this vertex and hit V to rip it. Once a vert gets ripped, we can move it freely. Try this. Press V, G, and Z to move the vert upward a bit. Turn on the proportional editing with the connected only option enabled. Please use the mouse wheel to resize the proportional editing region. Here is our first coil shape. We can add an array modifier to turn it into a spring. But as you can see, it takes more effort to perfect the shape. I'll show you an easier method. In this example, we'll be using a curved circle. If you don't have the curved circle, please activate an add-on called Add Curve Extra Objects. Rotate the circle 90 degrees on the x-axis. Press Tab to go to Edit mode and move the shape away from the origin. Add a screw modifier. This is much better than the previous one. You can model a phone cord by using this method as well. Let's apply the materials first. Create a curve point and extrude it any way you like. Select the sharp points and press V and A to smooth them. Add a curve modifier. There is the phone cord. This is the end of the spring and curly cord modeling tutorial. Thank you for watching.